Good evening. It's the fourth season of the Berger Elite Netball League, Jamaica's premier competition. The league parades the best netball players the country has to offer, who through a lottery system turn out for 6 franchises. The league limped through its first 2 years with complaints from some players that they were not being properly compensated. Traditional clubs who previously played in the senior league and had developed huge fan bases also resisted the change that Netball Jamaica was trying to implement. With the absence of the traditional clubs such as Walgrovians, Tivoli and Jamaica, to name a few, large fan bases stayed at home. The lottery was also done with barely any notice from netball fans, so it took a while for the average fan to know where their favorite player had been drafted. With the franchises being linked to parishes and with no vested interest from hundreds of fans, the league began to near empty stadiums. My colleague Trishana McGowan, who has been following the league closely, reported on Thursday that the crowd support had improved and the quality of the netball was brilliant. Despite the teething pains still being experienced, I support Netball Jamaica's implementation of this league. I believe to beat the best, one has to consistently play against and with the best, and the Berger Elite League affords that. I think, however, that the Dr. Paula Daly Morris-led Netball Jamaica board needs to engage the traditional clubs and see how best their concerns can be entertained. The second thing that Netball Jamaica needs to do is to engage in a publicity blitz to bring more fans to the Leela Robinson courts. Trishana has also reported that experienced shooters Simone Forbes and Sabrina Spence are on fire for their franchises. Those are just two of the stars on show in the league. Fans follow sports not just for the game in its purest form, but also for the hype that surrounds the personalities of the sport. That's part of the reason why greats like Muhammad Ali and Usain Bolt are hugely popular. Ali and Bolt packed stadiums because fans wanted to see what they would be up to each time they enter competition. The personalities in netball are the ones who bring fans to the courts. So Netball Jamaica, I urge you to use their appeal. Athletes like the energy of a packed stadium to drive them to performing at their highest potential, and it makes the game a wonderful spectacle. Don't let netballers down by making them play this beautiful game in less than a packed venue. I'm Karen Madden. Good evening.